The January 11 launch of Swap, the first decentralized exchange on the Oasis network, proved to be a great success. The exchange reached a staggering 100 million total value locked, or TVL, in its first 24 hours of operation. The launch of the DEX, which gives users access to low-cost token swaps, coincided with an announcement from Binance Labs, the principal investment arm of Binance Exchange, that it had agreed to invest in Oasis Network's development fund. Launched back in November 2021, the fund aims to lure developers by offering them the chance to build promising startups on the Oasis network. Designed for the next generation of blockchain, the Oasis network is the first privacy-enabled blockchain platform for open finance and a responsible data economy. Combined with its high throughput and secure architecture, the Oasis network can power private, scalable DeFi, revolutionizing open finance and expanding it beyond traders and early adopters to a mass market. Its unique privacy features can redefine DeFi and create a new type of digital asset called tokenized data that can enable users to take control of the data they generate and earn rewards for staking it with applications, creating the first ever responsible data economy. Dawn Song is the founder and CEO of Oasis Network. She graduated from Carnegie Mellon University with an MS in computer science before gaining a PhD in computer science from California, Berkeley. After completing her studies, Song initially worked as a professor at Carnegie Mellon University. In March 2018, she founded Oasis Labs while also being a professor at UC Berkeley. According to the platform, there are two components to the Oasis blockchain that make it highly scalable. Oasis Network calls these the consensus layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer ensures that many transactions can be conducted in parallel, increasing the overall processing speed. According to the website, paratime processing is more secure than other blockchains' sharding and parachain processes. The Oasis network claims that privacy is a core feature of the project. The project uses a secure computing technology called Trusted Execution Environment, which Oasis Network says secures smart contract execution and ensures data is never leaked to developers or validators. This helps reassure users that their private data remains limited to the parties involved. The platform also has a type of digital asset that it refers to as tokenized data. According to Oasis Network, this feature allows individuals to control the data they generate. Unlike legacy technologies, where businesses own the information they capture, Oasis Network attempts to redefine data ownership to create a more responsible data economy. The project aims to unlock a host of new case uses with these privacy features. It will also ensure that sensitive data, such as banking and health information, can be processed by apps without users worrying about the data being leaked, it says. The Oasis network can provide its features to the market due to its security architecture. The protocol's tokenized data changes the game and provides the average user with more control. It also gives developers the tools to create more productive and secure alternatives to the status quo. At the core of this digital revolution is paratimes. Paratimes provide separate runtime environments for smart contract execution. Their flexibility makes it easier to build these environments to meet the needs of a specific application. Notably, anyone can develop and build a paratime. A small fee is paid in the network's utility token ROSE for these actions. Paratimes is a real game changer. They enable developers to create more secure applications that leverage enterprise-grade cryptography to keep data confidential. Since multiple paratimes can process transactions in parallel, they provide the Oasis network with near-endless scalability. The Oasis network was made possible through a collaboration with CoinList. ROSE holders can farm their tokens and secure rewards using the ROSE Garden. Farming is like staking in that you will need to deposit crypto into a large smart contract. Farming differs from staking because the APY changes daily and there are no lockup periods. Consequently, there are no early withdrawal penalties like staking protocols. Your analytics are most valuable, and the Oasis network enables you to unlock that value in a secure peer-to-peer manner. Oasis users can earn rewards by staking their data. This data gets staked by users that want to analyze that information. The Oasis network leverages a Byzantine fault-tolerant, or the BFT, and proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Tendermint. This system provides the network with high security and scalability. Anyone can become a node and do their part to validate transactions and execute smart contracts. For your service, you receive rewards in the form of ROSE tokens. You can then stake or farm these tokens to create more profits. The Oasis network is the world's leading scalable, privacy-enabled blockchain. Paratimes on the Oasis network can leverage privacy-preserving technology enabling users to share their data to earn income while keeping it confidential, unlocking new Web3 use cases like digital identity and private metaverse applications for blockchain. As the DeFi market is still in its infancy, with trillions of dollars in existing financial markets ready to enter the space, the expansion of DeFi is limited by a lack of privacy, security, and high fees. The result is an overloaded and expensive system that's impossible to scale. Oasis Network is a Layer 1 blockchain that can expand DeFi beyond early adopters into mass market adoption. The Oasis Network can tokenize data. This will unlock game-changing use cases for blockchain and an entirely new ecosystem of apps and projects on the network, powering the next generation of privacy-first applications that reward users for the value they create. Predictions can be helpful as an indicator of which direction the price might move, and they should be viewed as possibilities rather than absolutes. This is especially the case when looking at long-term forecasts, as these can sometimes be completely off the mark. This is because of the inherent volatility of the crypto market, but also the many unknowns that could affect future prices. Oasis Price Analysis reveals the cryptocurrency following a strong bullish movement with tremendous upside opportunities. Rose currently ranks at number 87. Oasis Network had a good run in 2021 due to its popularity. Then, Rose hit an all-time high on January 15, 2022, with a value of 59 cents. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of the Oasis Network today is $0.245329 with a 24-hour trading volume of $126,748,979. It has a circulating supply of 3,493,014,306 Rose coins and a max of 10 billion Rose coins. In the second quarter of the year, Oasis Network may eventually move closer to 50 cents, but it may not reach those heights just yet. During this quarter, Rose could eventually go as high as 42 cents, but it may have a low of 20 cents, other things equal. The price could eventually decline to 39 cents. In the third quarter of 2022, Rose could keep increasing at the same rate. Eventually, the price of Rose could surpass 50 cents once again by the end of September, meaning that Rose could slowly climb the ladder in market cap rankings. In the last quarter of 2022, Crypto Academy predicts that Rose could end on a high note. The price could reach a new all-time high and go close to 60 cents. This would mean a fully diluted market cap of $6 billion for Rose. PricePredictions.net predicts a bullish future for the Rose with tremendous upside potential and minimal downside risk. This year's price might cross the 50-cent mark with good returns and profits. In a decade, the price might reach $15, so Rose can be considered one of the best long-term investments. The Oasis Network forecast and technical analysis suggests that by 2031, the Rose price is expected to exceed the median price of $15.43. The minimum expected value of the Oasis Network by the end of the current year should be $14.90. In addition, Rose can reach a maximum price of $18.20. Wallet Investor predicts a good bullish run for the cryptocurrency as an excellent long-term investment with huge upside potential. If you buy Rose today, it might pay back Twitch or maybe quadruple the price it was bought for. Many experts think the coin will go up in the future. It is always worth remembering that the crypto market is highly volatile, and the price of all tokens and coins can go down and up. While much remains to be seen in how the project will evolve and how ambitions for the future will materialize, the project seems to have promise. Big tech is increasingly under fire for mining data, and the conversation is heating up around how individuals should ultimately own and monetize their own information. The Oasis Network's proposition appears, in theory at least, to solve a genuine problem that erodes the privacy of individuals and weakens trust in both private businesses and governments, who seem incapable or unwilling to put appropriate regulations in place. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Rose? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.